Let me issue this way, say, lawyer Kissi Agyebeng, senior lawyer, senior man. In the moment they are making, just my elementary understanding.
Hold on. Hold on, please. You see, that is the challenge we have.
That's why he's senior.
Nobody refuses that seniority. It does not stop you.
Yeah, but that's
you are not discussing him. You are discussing the law.
Of course.
So you don't have limited. You will be exposed. But it is the law. Your understanding of the law.
Sure.
You have given him that acknowledgement, sir, or your senior most. I didn't tell me there are some also a senior, sir. Nobody doubts that. But when we are discussing during the question of quarter or a senior to a oh, the back on the pepe, and your senior said, but the bono and any Indian man. Me a lay person, maybe out of ignorance. I'm asking these questions to get me okay.
Me understanding, Oman, and say in criminal procedure, unse tankers for nkane no moba ufia unse they can issue criminal summons against you abrekwa yencheo so you aware tankers for can issue criminal summons against you abra yencheo into without arrest no criminal summons can be issued. In fact, say we wadwen say we go by criminal summons but now obey the friend charge sheet in what charging nipa na e de na e court unse was serving
the criminal summons in the
yemfa say you issue process against you.
Okay.
Yencheo. In the mabe hu se ufie bylaw wo se menye ufie fi. Me tankers ni. Me buy ma hu se ufie bibi apoto. Me timi do court straight.
Oh, we hu say because you say order that. It mabe hu hu here say betu
again. Can issue criminal summons against you. You understand? Court betimi aka wasem edi wasem ma e de wase e de ye ono yetimi e de aye. Ene ye wo where you have to prepare charge sheet to the Nipana court, was serving Nipano, and no even with the charge sheet. No, say the court. Nasi a 7 year yaunti mean serve. Meet me court, echo ye, the friend substituted service. And the court of my client say, okay, say mintimin far, rate the machine when send personally. Ebia met me ascend WhatsApp, met me a publish a newspaper, met me the abebo or dying any and all of that substituted service. On sabet me a care was set. Based on that, where they will appear in court. Say a court based on substituted service. That's a ma. Say I can get the court to issue a bench warrant for you. And the court didn't issue bench warrant now. Baby, I will be. I will say a day.
Okay, so be. Me point the person say. Me person me imagine me.
Yes.
Me person OSP no. Say on share court to me biase. But say call chassis because no matter what kaka no. Ghanaians are eager to know the outcome. It be say on share court.
And that's what I'm saying. Say ebase Ken Ofori Atta emaya.
Yeah.
Processor obetimi afem ebi na making. Inti bench warrant de no ho. Then say bench warrant is when you na mfa ma. Then you can invoke Article 19. Try and
because we have because unim. Say we are all yes. Because the area no say we dig dream be.
Of course.
I know she
and mind you say there is no law. A share accused person and as a suspect. Say me before an investigative team.
They say OSP.
Yeah.
Oti Ken Ofori Atta betu
betu you budin not obusa ni bibia on carry. Obusa ni bibia on carry. Yes.
It no fanning court.
And nunti na nipa ne maye before you no. And yet all in all. Because Ken Ofori Atta can come actually. And rank obetimi aba oba not OSP busani baby no comment.
That's all about them.
Obusa dabi unem. In fact, mind you say, so okay, there is a case Tagore versus the Republic. The court was clear. Say the silence of the accused person no. And yet the fact say what prosecution you have to prove your case beyond reasonable doubt. In fact, say ebasa court ninya doubt kakrebi about the audio to court nenimna. It inures to the benefit of the accused person. In fact, Osha this case, Akilu versus the Republic, the court was clear. Say the court to the state of say ADAC and answer NC, ADAC and answer NC, it always works in favor of the accused person. It should be one, the court should be left with no doubt, say ADAC. That's what criminal beyond reasonable doubt. And no. And the first say accused person I come before you, no. It doesn't mean say you don't have to prove your case against the accused person beyond reasonable doubt. And that's why even in court, what ordinary panimpo court, no. Court or the accused person can tell the court who need
court.
Yeah, in court.
Court ntimi nhye no se.
Dabi. Enuntina chapter 5 of the Constitution clear. It care about the fundamental human right. And mind you, that's how fundamental human rights, no, inalienable. Inti, can be said, the hierarchy of laws. The Constitution is number one.
So, I mean, because I say law student too.
Okay, the hierarchy of laws. Hierarchy of laws. Emra, in the Evans, how the Emra tunsenia. The emu dupa Constitution. After Constitution, Act of Parliament. Into OSP na creation of law, statute, Act of Parliament, decree. Into to me be anywhere OSP betimi enya through sa act na create OSP no. I betimi abro Constitution so. In the emphasis say me was right in the Constitution guaranteed under chapter 5 of the Constitution. In fact, so okay, Article 33 of the Constitution. Constitution say right I mean will enjoy no. Ebi on point expressly stated in the Constitution.
In the Constitution.
Yes, but Article 33 takes care of that. In the our right be a universal right. Ebi in the Constitution but Article 33 takes care of that. I can enjoy those rights. In the Abame rights these are chapter 5 trained
but won't mean na I mean but won't mean go cast right is am be me as OSP no be delay me time and
no and not Constitution they say if say who act I settle up no e ma to me say ye bibi e betietia me fa ho dia Constitution dia ma me so I can go to court, the Supreme Court, to get the Supreme Court to strike down when act no, because nothing in your act should run contrary to any provision in the Constitution. Yes, absolutely.
Subset of
absolutely. And no. Enter make us a chapter 5 of the Constitution, no, guaranteed inti say obia baby. Say I say, opesa will force me. Say me before you by force.
I
mean, it cannot be. It cannot be because I have that right. Some make us a dabi member. Famiko court.
Na sade na amokasi supina no.
A court. And from day one, I will start saying to time our judgment will be delivered in court. Nothing. There is no duty on me, the accused person, to say anything. Dabi, I can come and sit before you and keep. But I will say my bonnet. And you have to prove your case against me.
Maybe the
NSA, I will cast doubt on who case against me. The burden is always on the prosecution.
So in this case, options no doors, but the OSP decided to pick on the red alert one wanted. No?
Yeah,
or that option.
Yes. Into the act a guarantee. But of course, I mean, Ken lawyers already now Oma file. There is a case at the Human Rights Court. Yeah, about Odikai declare the wanted be. So Odikai declare the wanted.
And then interest. If there's a way out to proceed in court, now absence be on them. And I'm corner more how it goes.
It can be done. I mean, of course. I mean, the OSP thinks power be a while bit me a compelling but even a numpono. I mean, compelling a suspect to appear before you by force. No. Because nipa ni betima ba betina wanim on cash and the OSP saying say and the Ken ba na say Ken ka say question bi obebusa me bi amen answer enunti adwuma oya against Ken obejaya na
it's okay mean fee
men kasa does that mean so obejaya the oya against Ken
you be mean
fee and if say obekasa mpo na say wunyaya then only how go ahead
I feel no see me. I feel no see myself na make
rather than this drama. This drama.
I'm worried because where you're back, where you're forth, where you're back, where you're forth. Is there a process I bit me we or quarter? Court because what's more can say you pa akwanoja akoni aso and then be corner.
Because one thing say na who say obi obe assist to in investigation a complainant. A complainant is bound to assist you in investigation, not the accused person.
Okay.
What you say? Okay. It is Bia. What can be actually?
Me na makokache OSP say.
Yes.
Yes.
You have the duty to assist in the investigation. But I can come and sit before the OSP and keep quiet.
Yanko court mekasa.
Yes.
But dem me.
Had dem me nkasa. Obetime go the court or mekasa me nkasa. Untimi nya me hwe. Because it's your burden. And I think rather than this whole drama no if there is something concrete on the table, let's proceed. Because we need to get the money back, rather than focusing on this drama. Well, and Unim said the Constitution cry clear said infringement of my fundamental human right guaranteed in chapter 5 or say a past, present, and even future. Even if I suspect any say on my here and I say be a OSP in future could bet my bibia a bit yami fan who dear I can go to court on that. And the now say the right guaranteed under chapter 5 Charlie you serious and yeah you did dear grow yes
another education here. What's the assembly of court? Human rights court.
Yes.
Inti
Ken lawyers they call human rights court said
nana the lawyers omuni OSP dealing us up case in emba boko na se court omina bishia na omo back and forth omo cause there
and say no say once the OSP makes any move it is also within their right to also go to court omo free say
the right of their court.
Yeah, omo court. I think on the initial declaration of wanted any fugitive declaration omo the court say human rights court no should stop the OSP from ever going ahead to declare our client wanted. And at the earlier wanted way now or on the website court nation maninyi emfa emfri into a argument before court needed judgment that share 18th of this month.
Nano also could declare ni.
And the lawyers would know what to do. The lawyers would know what to do.
Assembly yakos record no says ana onwe di court nani man.
I know the maminja man the lawyers.
Okay. Me busa say who so okra na okase omo twen atemu.
Yeah, on the 8th.
On this matter of fugitive and then.
Yes.
It's okay atemu ni my obetima kwa head I dey say na atemu ni boss answer to and I say what 2 hours. And and another area and the contest o ma dey.
On the contest.
Well,
it is something they would contest. Honestly, but I mean bottom line and they say o man say obi aye bone a yema mra no eni nipa ne eni se yesika bia kodi obi ho a yemfa mra kwan so na yenye we should stay focused. That's my whole point.
Okay.
And yes, I would be involved in the drama.
Okay, so that is why I love the words as a lawyer and then reminding your viewers and listeners, stay focused.